Wow. Wow, that's really special. Hello guys, we're at the Whisky Show here in London. I'm with Stephanie at the Fettercairn stand. Stephanie, lovely to meet you.
Lovely to meet
Thank you. So Stephanie, please introduce yourself, what you do for Fettercairn, and can we try a special dram today, please?
Of course. Hi, I'm Stephanie. I work for the Fettercairn brand and I look after London.
Wow. Stephanie, would you give us the honour to sample one special dram of your choice?
Of course. I'd say let's try the 18-year-old as it's manual release.
Beautiful. So what's the composition of this Fettercairn 18?
It starts its life in American oak for 16 years. And then for the remainder 2 years, it's in Scottish oak. Finished in Scottish.
Wow. Because I tried Irish oak the other day. I was bowled over. So Scottish oak. Wow. Let's do this. Fabulous. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I love the bottle design, by the way.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Sweet but drying on the nose, which you're getting again from Scottish oak. I actually really like these raw oaks, you know. Bourbon oak is fantastic, but they give unique flavors, I find. Wow, the complexity on the nose is lovely.
Yes. You definitely get those tropical notes of Fettercairn.
Dried tropical notes, yeah.
Tropical notes.
Obviously oak.
Yes.
Sweet oak, honey. I'm getting honey for some reason. Beautiful. On the palate then, cheers. Wow. Wow. That's really special.
I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Really complex, woodsy, dried spices, slight Christmas spice, nice wood smoke there. Again, slight exotic fruit, nice dryingness from the Scottish oak.
Yeah.
Incredible dram.
That's okay.
Thank you so
You
much.
get those flavors from our cooling ring that are on our stills, hot stills.
Oh.
That lays off freezing cold water. That's able to lower the temperature from 80 degrees to around 30, and it gives it those kind of tropical flavors.
More tropical side.
And it-
Beautiful. Well, Stephanie, thank you so much for showing us the dram. If you found that useful, please press the subscribe button. And what's Fettercairn's social media? You've got an Instagram page and...
Yeah, so at Fettercairn on Instagram, please follow us.
Done. Thank you for watching,
Thank you.
guys. Cheers.